Imagine standing in one of North America's most fascinating places, the Chihuahuan Desert. Stretching across the southwestern United States and Mexico, this vast landscape tells an incredible story of change, challenge, and hope. But this isn't just any desert. It's a place where the past and future collide. Back in the 1800s, this desert was a hotspot for something completely different: mining. Prospectors came from everywhere, searching for silver, copper, and other valuable minerals hidden beneath the desert surface. These early miners didn't have the technology we have today. They used simple tools, digging tunnels by hand and crushing ore with basic machinery. While they found the treasures they were looking for, their methods left some serious scars on the landscape. Trees were cut down for fuel, soil was damaged, and toxic waste from the mines polluted the water and air. But here's where our story gets exciting. Today, at the Jornada Basin Long-Term Ecological Research Site, scientists are working magic. They're turning parts of this desert back into grasslands, just like it used to be hundreds of years ago. They're planting native grasses, managing water carefully, and bringing life back to areas that were once damaged. And now we face a modern challenge. We've discovered new mineral deposits in this area, minerals we desperately need for smartphones, electric cars, and gaming consoles. But this time, we're doing things differently. Modern environmental engineers are designing innovative ways to mine these materials without disturbing the restored surface ecosystem. They're creating underground tunnels that use water systems to transport minerals, similar to a super efficient underground water slide. The best part? This water can actually help support the grasslands growing above. This is where you come in. As future environmental engineers, you'll need to figure out how to balance our need for these important minerals with protecting the environment. Can you design a mining operation that works in harmony with nature? Remember, the Chihuahuan Desert isn't just a place of rocks and sand. It's a living laboratory where we're learning to work with nature, not against it. The future of both technology and our environment depends on finding this balance. So are you ready to accept this challenge? Can you help write the next chapter in the story of the Chihuahuan Desert? The future is in your hands.